If Yo guys, it's me, Swordsy. Oh yeah. It's like the first time saying it with my real voice. No, what I mean is I'm saying it on my voiceover.
But no, that's not me. Like, it's my first time saying it on camera. Like, one-on-one. Like, coming from my diaphragm. And from my throat.
No, I'm kidding. I don't know where my voice is coming from, seriously. But yeah, I know you guys get it. I know you guys get it. And yeah, I'm wearing the sweatpants. A short sweatpants. Because this is not mine. This is my mom's. Thank you, Mom!
Thank you for what?
For letting me borrow your sweatpants and your shirt.
Okay!
So bear with me, guys, if I will be a little awkward while talking, because I'm not used to talk with my camera. And before we start, I would like to take this time to thank you guys so much for the love and support that you guys gave me on my Zhavia makeup tutorial video. If you haven't watched it, link is in the description. And just in case you want to see my future videos, subscribe and hit the bell to get notified of all upcoming videos. That's all. Thank you. As I read the comments, a lot of you are requesting for a Zhavia Dreadlocks tutorial. And for those who requested that, I would like you to know that I'm trying to get all of the stuffs and materials that I need, so bear with me for now, and it will be up soon. But for now, I think this will do. Earlier this morning, I was dreading my hair. Here it is. Closer look. So they call this dreads in the wild. As you can see, there's a lot of hair coming out of the dreads, straight hair, which is not a part of the dreads because it's not perfectly done, because it's really hard to dread your own hair. It's just my opinion because it's my first time dreading my real hair. In the middle of dreading my hair, I was like, oh wait, maybe they would love to see how I dreaded my hair. I stopped and think of recording it. So here's my plan. My plan is to dread half of my hair. I already parted it. No, I mean, I asked my sister to part my hair because I can see it from behind. So here it is. Here's my first section. This will be 3 dreadlocks. And this is my other 2 dreadlocks from my other section. When it's done, I will have a total of 6 dreadlocks. And good luck to me. Let's go. Hey yo, voiceover! How are you guys? We good? Okay, so let's start dreading. So the first thing you need to do is to grab the section of your hair. Then I'm gonna brush out my braid using a fine-tooth comb. And I'm just making sure that there's no tangles, because I want to be the one to put tangles on my hair later. Okay, the next step you need to do is to twist your hair. Separate it into 2, then rip it by pulling the 2 sections away from each other. Keep on twisting and ripping them until you reach your desired length that you want to dread. So the step is twist, rip, twist, rip, twist, and rip. Okay, so I'll stop right here because I want to dread just half of my hair. After that, grab your crochet hook. This is not the actual crochet dreadlock hook, but this is the one that I have at the moment, so let's go with this. What you're gonna do is to twist the ripped hair, thrust the hook inside it, get some hair strands, flip it on the hook for a few times, pull the hook while pushing it gently with the tip of your finger, then remove the hair strands on the hook. And yeah, I'm just trying to show something. Let me flip the video so we can crack the hidden code. Oh, it's I'm so pretty, and the arrow is pointing somewhere, and I don't know what's in there. Oh my god, it's a mystery. Anyways, let's go back to the tutorial. Now that you know the steps of crocheting, let's repeat it. Twist it, thrust the hook, get some hair, loop it, pull the hook, and remove the hair strands. Twist it, thrust the hook, get some hair, loop it, pull the hook, and remove the hair strands. Twist it, thrust the hook, get some hair, loop it, pull the hook, and remove the hair strands. Twist it, thrust the hook, get some hair, loop it, pull the hook, and remove the hair strands. Twist it, thrust the hook, get some hair, loop it, pull the hook, and remove the hair strands. Whew! I got it, guys! Good job! Let me breathe. And keep doing it until you're happy with how your dread is looking. Moving on. Keep repeating the step till your dread look matte and like really compressed. I will not do a lot of crocheting because I'm trying to find a proper crochet dreadlock hook, and I'll go back to crocheting my dreads when I got one. Or I'll brush my dreads out, then I'll redo them. I'm not sure at the moment, but I'll update you guys on my Instagram. And when you think it's good, we can now move on to stimming. And if you have a dread stimmer, that's awesome! Use it, girl! But if you don't have any, you're not alone. I don't have a dread stimmer as well. So let's go with flat iron and face towel soaked in water. What you're gonna do is to squeeze the towel. Just like that. Oh yeah. Then cover your dreads with a wet towel, grab your flat iron, and start heating the towel. If you hear a frying sound like this... Oh god. No, I'm kidding. Don't be terrified. That's normal. Don't move or slide the flat iron. Just keep hitting and pressing it on one area until the frying sound is gone. After that, your dread will look tighter and more matted. I'll do the same thing with my other hair sections, and back to you, Swartzy. So yeah, I'm here with Ajan.
Hi.
And her cat, Shigihara.
The lazy cat.
The lazy cat. This cat always want to sleep, like 24/7, like literally. So yeah, Ajan wants to join my video so bad, and I was like, no, maybe later, I'm doing a tutorial. I'll let you join before I end the video. And she was like, okay, but she keeps on passing by just for her to be seen. This little girl is so cute. So that's it, I'm finished dreading my hair. I ended up having 7 dreads instead of 6 because my other section is like thicker than the other one. So that's it. We're done. We're done dreading my hair. Hope you like it, guys.
No.
Let's move on to shout out. This kid will not stop trolling me in this video. So let's finish this. Oh. Go girl. Yeah, slay. So yeah, we're here to give some shout out to some of my friends who really showed their love and support here on YouTube and on Instagram. I just let her leave. Let her breathe. Pause. Just want to thank this awesome girl, Kezia, for giving me the idea of giving shoutouts. Because why not? I think it's fun and it's one of my ways to give back some love. So let's do this. So shout out to Kezia Alarcon, or Kezia. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's Kezia Alarcon. Hi. And to Moonchild MN. Hi, girl. And to Joel Berry. Thank you guys for your love and support. I really appreciate it. I love you guys. So yeah, I think that's all for this video. What are you doing? And thank you all again. Stay cool and gorgeous. Bye!